End up. To reach a particular place, condition, or situation, after doing something, or because of doing it.
After traveling around the world, she ended up teaching English as a foreign language. Despite staying in the shade most of the time, I ended up with sunburn. If you don't stop drinking, you'll end up in the hospital. He came for a coffee, and we ended up having lunch together. The book ended up in the trash. After working his whole life, he ended up becoming a rich man. If he keeps doing this, he'll end up in prison. I ended up spending all my money.